Looking for the best gaming CPU under $200 and not sure which one actually delivers? Today, we're ranking 5 popular options from weakest to absolute best so you can pick the right brain for your gaming rig. We're starting at the bottom of the ranking with the i5-9500. This chip was solid in its time, but compared to the others on this list, it shows its age. With 6 cores and only 6 threads, it handles basic gaming well, but modern titles are getting more demanding every year. On the plus side, it boosts up to 4.4 GHz and has a modest 65-watt power rating, so it's easy to cool and doesn't need a huge power supply. It also includes built-in graphics, which means you can at least get a display output without a graphics card. That's helpful for budget builds or troubleshooting. But here's the issue. With no extra threads to help with multitasking, background apps, or newer game engines, it can feel stretched thin. Compared to the other CPUs on this list, especially those with 12 or even 16 threads, it simply doesn't have the same headroom. If you're building a very tight budget system and mainly play older or later games, it can still work. But if you want smoother performance in modern titles, you'll want to look higher up on the list. By the way, links to all the CPUs in this review at the best prices are in the description under the video. Next up is the Ryzen 5 5600X, and this is where things start to get interesting. It keeps the same 6 cores as the previous chip, but now you get 12 threads. That alone makes a noticeable difference in modern games and everyday multitasking. With a boost up to 4.6 GHz and a large 32MB cache, it delivers strong gaming performance, especially at 1080p. In my experience, this chip feels much smoother when you have a game running and something else in the background, like voice chat or streaming software. And unlike some newer chips, it comes with a cooler in the box, which helps keep costs down. The downside? There's no built-in graphics, so you absolutely need a dedicated graphics card. It also runs on an older platform that uses DDR4 memory only, so you don't get the newer memory standards found in higher-ranked options. Still, for gamers who already have a graphics card and want a balanced, efficient chip with solid performance, this is a great step up from the i5-9500. And if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward hardware reviews. Now we're entering serious performance territory with the 12600KF. This processor jumps to 10 cores and 16 threads, which is a big leap over the 6-core chips we just talked about. With boost speeds up to 4.9 GHz, it delivers excellent gaming performance and strong multitasking power. Whether you're gaming, recording, or editing videos on the side, it has the muscle to handle it. Compared to the 5600X, you're getting more cores and more threads, which can help in heavier workloads and future games. The catch here is that it doesn't include built-in graphics, so again, a graphics card is required. It also has higher power demands, which means you'll want a solid cooler and a capable motherboard. It's more powerful, but it does require a bit more planning in your build. If you want high frame rates and the flexibility to do more than just game, this chip is a strong contender, but there's still one very similar option just above it. In 4th place, we have the 12600K. Performance-wise, it's essentially on the same level as the KF version. You still get 10 cores, 16 threads, and the same impressive boost speeds. The big difference is the built-in graphics. That might not matter if you already have a powerful graphics card, but it can be extremely useful for troubleshooting, temporary setups, or even light gaming while you wait for a GPU upgrade. Functionally, it gives you more flexibility without sacrificing performance. On the downside, it shares the same higher power requirements as the KF. You'll need a decent cooler and a compatible motherboard. So while it's powerful, it's not quite as plug-and-play as the lower wattage chips earlier in the list. This is a great choice for gamers who want top-tier performance under $200 and the safety net of integrated graphics. But there's one CPU here that edges everything else out. At the top of our ranking is the Ryzen 5 9600X. On paper, it goes back to 6 cores and 12 threads. But don't let that fool you. The architecture improvements and very high boost speed up to 5.4 GHz push it ahead in overall gaming performance. It keeps a 65-watt power rating, which means it's efficient and easier to cool than the higher wattage Intel chips. It also supports newer memory and expansion standards, giving your build more long-term flexibility. And yes, it includes built-in graphics, which is always a bonus for backup display or light use. The main trade-off is platform cost. It requires newer memory and does not include a cooler in the box, so you'll need to budget for that. But if your goal is the strongest overall gaming performance from this group, this is the one that stands out. For gamers who want a modern platform, strong efficiency, and top-tier performance in this price range, this chip takes the crown. Now, it's your turn. Check out the top CPUs we covered using the links in the description below, compare prices, and pick the one that fits your build. If this video helped you out, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more no-nonsense hardware guides.